I had seen photographs of this campus and had heard from so many people that this is God's own campus, the most beautiful IIM among all the IIMs. But I don't think that feeling hit me in its entirety till I stepped foot here. But I did not know that the hills start after you enter the main gate. And it was raining and the view was amazing.
I was super happy, so it was just like a dream come true.
So I had the choice of either pursuing a job offer that I already had in hand or coming to IMK. Actually, it was a no-brainer for me because it was an opportunity that was simply too good to miss.
You study, you work, but in the end you end your day in a place which is very peaceful and calm.
Everybody was unique, everybody had a different experience in life, coming from a different background. I was amongst one of the brightest people around.
IMK was established in 1997 as the 5th IIM of India. We set up the school to cater to a bunch of Indian students who wanted the best of management education, which is relevant, which is rigorous, which will give them global opportunities.
The coexistence which was there between the people of Kerala, between the students and nature, and how effectively all these bonded, and how this institute has been carrying on that for more than 20 years.
The focus here is more to learn from both your teacher as well as your peers. A lot of class participation that is encouraged, and the teacher kind of directs the way the flow of the class or the flow of discussion.
The pedagogy has been simply brilliant. We constantly taught to do things instead of just route learning, and that makes a great difference.
We are among the fastest growing IIMs. In all our courses, there's an element of practical application of whatever we are learning, which is what I feel is unique.
We place a lot of emphasis on research because research is what pushes the boundaries of accepted wisdom and knowledge.
So we need managers who are sensitized to Indian ethos, Indian culture, Indian history, the Indian needs. We would like our students to be different. We would like our students to stand out, and there is something of an IIMK-ness which will get reflected in them.
Be it any time, be it morning or night, you will always find somebody conducting some activity in the campus. There would be groups of students studying, there would be people sitting and discussing various topics. It could be finance, it could be marketing, it could be anything and everything.
I used to learn Bharatanatyam from a very early age, and I got an avenue for all of those things. Like from day one, I got involved in dancing for the campus at different events. We even did a Nukkad Natak here. Took a lot of effort and time, but it was amazing the way it was executed.
IMK proudly hosts the Calicut Marathon. It just brings on more and more audience. The students contribute in it, and it's completely organized by the students. So it is definitely one thing which IMK proudly boasts about.
The first time when I came here, I saw clouds coming to my hostel room, so that was something which excited me a lot. It is very green, it is very serene, the air you breathe is beautiful.
Even our academic blocks are located in such locations that they are on the tip of the hill. So if you just walk out of your class during your break, all you see is the setting sun or the rising sun.
It's the people that make the campus what it is. You feel at home because every cheta, every chechi that we live with here, all our friends, all our seniors, all our faculty members, they are very welcoming. So not even for a moment did I even ever feel that I was away from home.
We have a vision, and the vision is globalizing Indian thought. It means 3 words for us in IIM Kozhikode. One is Satyam, which is authenticity, Nityam, which is sustainability, and Purnam, which is wholeness or fulfillment. Now, if you add these 3 values, then you have a recipe for a global school which is rooted in Indian ethos, which is rooted in Indian core of what India represents to the world. Satyam, Nityam, and Purnam are the basic drivers of the spirit of IIM.
My name is Rasika Garg and I am from IIM Kozhikode. My name is Vanya Gupta and I am a student of IIM Kozhikode.
My name is Akash Tripathi. I am from IIM Kozhikode.
My name is Utkarsh Kumar and I am a student of IIM Kozhikode.
I'm Aarti. I'm from IIM Kozhikode.
I'm Jay Bhaviskar and I am from IIM Kozhikode.